Hi everyone, welcome back again. Today's recipe is Italian creamy veg soup. So this soup is nice and creamy, which everyone will love. It's very easy to make. Let me show you how. Come on. This is a very soothing soup and can be made anytime you need to have some comfort food. Adjust butter quantity as per your choice. We will saute the garlic just until the raw flavor goes off, which won't take much time. Try to dice the carrots as small as possible so that they can cook quickly and also have a nice bite when you have the soup. Peas is a great addition to the soup. All-purpose flour is a thickening agent and will give the soup a nice texture. We will cook this for a minute until the raw flavor goes off. Now here you can also add light cream to make the soup a bit healthy. All the cooking is on low flame from this point. We will season the soup well to give it a nice flavor. I have rinsed the cream pack with water and I'm just adding that water to the pan to adjust the thickness. Mix and bring to a boil. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. I'm adding some red pepper to give a nice freshness to the soup. We don't have to cook this until soft. Once this comes to a boil, we are almost done. I'm adding dried parmesan cheese, but you can also use fresh if easily available. Mix and we are done. Garnish with dried parsley or fresh parsley and we are ready to serve the soup. This looks so amazing. Serve the soup hot with garlic bread on the side. Thank you for watching. Such a soothing recipe, right? I love soups and I'll be showing you a lot of soup recipes in the future. So if you don't want to miss any of those, please do subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye.